Alright y'all, it is giveaway time. I am 1 day late for this video, but you know the virus got me all messed up. Alright, we in California, we just had a shutdown, so give me a minute. But this giveaway is officially over. It was over on the 15th, so if you did not get a chance to enter, then you need to subscribe so you can stay tuned for my next giveaway, which is probably going to be something much bigger than this. So if you guys watch my Coastal Scents video, you guys know that I did a giveaway for these brushes and for this neutral palette here and these 2 lip quads. So all of these wonderful things will be going to one lucky person who followed the instructions in my giveaway video. So I have all of the names written down on these papers here, and I'm just gonna put them inside this bag and pick out the lucky winner. So let me get these folded up and we'll see who won. All right, so let me shake these names up a little bit so we can pick out the winner. All right. So the winner of the Coastal Scents stuff is, her YouTube name is Black Israelite. And her Instagram name is Black Magnolia. So I will put it down below and I will contact you. Alright. She is officially the winner. Alright, so I wanted to do this video live because I was gonna do 2 more giveaways of my lashes that I sell off my website. If you guys didn't know, check out the link in my bio to my website. It'll show all the lashes there. But I am going to give away 2 pairs of lashes as well, just as a thank you to 2 more people for joining the giveaway. So, Corinne Smith is her YouTube name, and That Lazy Love is her Instagram name. She will get a free pair of lashes from me. All right, let me do one more. Name's getting kind of low. Her YouTube name is Brandy Creighton, and her Instagram name is Brandy Creighton as well. She will get a free pair of lashes for entering my giveaway. So you will be contacted, these 3 people. Black Israelite, who won the entire Coastal Scents giveaway package. And then these 2 winners, Brandy Creighton and Corinne Smith, will get a pair of lashes from me. I will contact you via YouTube and Instagram. If you have received your items, definitely hit me up, tag me in your video. Hopefully you guys do a video on these lashes or this makeup. And that is it for the giveaway today. I will be doing another giveaway soon. I'm really debating on what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll do a big lash giveaway, or I will do a wig giveaway next, which is probably what people are expecting me to do anyway. So please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for those giveaways as well. But for my winners today, you will be contacted, and I thank you guys so much for joining my giveaway. Please stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry for the delay, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channels for more videos like this. Bye.